Looks like the power to the tool shed needs to be redone. So this cable here snapped off during the storm. I don't know if you can see it. This cable right here. I guess that's just a live wire, but it goes out to the power. And I guess it snapped when the roof came off. So let's take a look up here. So let's go a little higher. That's what I fixed. This entire section was loose. I tightened it up with some roofing screws, I guess. And I tightened it. I'm gonna leave this fence here halfway down. And those are some pipes. I tightened that in. That's the front part of the tool shed. So all along there I replaced all the screws. And then back here I replaced all the screws, and this part I had to bend it back into shape. So what remains is just that little section there. What I'm doing is I'm re-drilling the holes and putting in longer screws, because the screws that were in there originally were like barely, maybe half an inch, quarter of an inch. So what I've got now is 1.5 inch screws that really bite into the wood. So I'm trying to get it done before the storm comes and before any lightning happens, because it's not good to be working on a metal roof, I guess, in a lightning storm. Anyway.